Introducing HP 15s Ryzen 3 5300U laptop in natural silver. It comes in a size of 35.9 into 24.2 into 1.8 centimeters and weighs 1.69 kilograms. The laptop runs on AMD Ryzen 3 5300U processor and comes preloaded with Windows 11 Home 64 Single Language Edition, Microsoft Office 2019 and Office 365, and McAfee LiveSafe. It has 8 GB DDR4-3200 MHz SDRAM that can be upgraded to 16 GB with AMD Radeon Graphics, and 512 GB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD storage. The laptop is powered with 41 Wh lithium-ion battery for a long battery life. It has 15.6 inches FHD Micro Edge anti-glare display with 250 nits brightness and a resolution of 1920 into 1080 pixels. Enjoy stereo surround sound with dual speakers. It features HP True Vision 720 pixel HD camera, integrated dual array digital microphones and built-in Alexa. The laptop is Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled and is equipped with 2 USB 3.0 ports and an HDMI port. The box contains the laptop, AC power adapter and user manuals. This laptop comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.